The overall objective of the BDG Aftercare Services is to provide support to the BDG alumni so as to better understand their needs, exchange business information, and encourage business expansion and growth. The Aftercare Services Unit does this by providing help and advice and access to basic business growth services, such as access to funding and information where appropriate. So the mechanism for delivering the aftercare services is through the network of business clubs in all 26 regions of Tanzania mainland and Zanzibar. So basically, Aftercare Services Unit is here to build and strengthen what has been established by the BDG program through the Business Diagnostic Program and the Business Plan Competition Program. And the focus, the process is focusing on 4 major result areas. One is establishing and strengthening business clubs by supporting their formalization and delivering relevant capacity building programs. The other one is promoting access to finance by entrepreneurs by using clubs as effective platforms for discussing with relevant financial institutions for the purpose of exploring better avenues for accessing affordable sources of finances. The other one is networking of club leadership with key stakeholders to share resources. In this aspect, clubs are expected to gain a common and a stronger voice in articulating their issues with the relevant authorities and other stakeholders. The other one is access to business development services, where the clubs are supposed to ensure that the entrepreneurs have access to the relevant business development services for ensured sustainable growth. So the spirit of aftercare services at BDG is supporting entrepreneurs to be more innovative and competitive.